Alright, let's dive into something that's got me pretty excited. SpaceX is gearing up for another mission to the International Space Station, and this one's packed with some seriously cool details. Here's the deal, Crew-13 is set to launch on September 12th, and it's not just another routine trip. What makes this really interesting is the crew itself: Jessica Watkins, Luke Delaney, Kutryk, and Sergey Teteryatnikov. Each of them brings something unique to the table, and personally, I think this diversity is what makes space exploration so fascinating. Watkins, for instance, is the only one with prior space experience, and she's about to make history as the first active NASA astronaut to fly on the Dragon spacecraft twice. That's a big deal, right? It's like she's bridging the gap between the old and the new era of space travel. Now, let's talk about Kutryk. He's the fourth Canadian to serve on an ISS crew, and what many people don't realize is that his journey from a cattle farm in Canada to the stars is a testament to how space exploration is truly a global effort. His perspective on the complexity of these missions and the enormity of the teams involved is something I find deeply relatable. It's easy to forget that behind every astronaut is a massive support system, and Kutryk's gratitude for that is a reminder of just how collaborative this field is. But here's where it gets even more intriguing: the mission itself. Crew-13 is going to be busy, like really busy. They've got station maintenance, spacewalks, science experiments, and outreach on their plate. One thing that immediately stands out is their research on heart disease and Parkinson's using human stem cell-derived tissues. If you take a step back and think about it, this kind of research could revolutionize how we treat diseases here on Earth. And that's just one part of their agenda. They're also diving into crop production for long-duration spaceflight, which is crucial if we're ever going to set up a colony on Mars. What this really suggests is that every mission to the ISS isn't just about exploring space, it's about solving problems that affect all of humanity. Now, let's talk about the tech. The Dragon spacecraft Grace is getting some upgrades, including new metal mud flaps for its Draco abort thrusters. It's a small detail, but a detail I find fascinating is how these seemingly minor changes can have a huge impact on mission safety. And then there's the Tesla Cybertruck. Yes, you heard that right, Cybertrucks are now part of the evacuation plan in case of an emergency before launch. In my opinion, this is SpaceX at its best, blending cutting-edge technology with practical solutions. But what's even more impressive is the level of certification and testing that went into ensuring these trucks work seamlessly with astronauts in their bulky suits. It's a reminder of how much thought goes into every aspect of a mission. Finally, there's the human side of this story. Luke Delaney is excited to meet his astronaut-class colleagues, Anil Menon and Denise Burnham, on the ISS. It's like a reunion in space, and that kind of camaraderie is what makes these missions so inspiring. And then there's Kutryk, who's expecting his third child while he's up there. Personally, I think this adds a layer of emotional depth to the mission. It's a reminder that these astronauts are not just professionals, they're people with families, dreams, and challenges just like the rest of us. From my perspective, this human element is what makes space exploration so compelling. So, as we count down to September 12th, I'm left with this thought: every mission to the ISS is more than just a scientific endeavor, it's a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. What do you think? Are you as excited about this mission as I am? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the fascinating world of space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up.